Hello there, how are you all? Welcome back to a brand new video of coding with Moiz, and this is your host Moiz, and in this video we are going to continue the series of WordPress website development. In the previous video we just installed XAMPP and set up WordPress on it, and today we will install Astra theme, and let's see what we can do in today's video. But my main goal is to install a theme in today's video, so just hover on appearance and just click on themes. Okay, just click on add new and search here for Astra. Okay, after searching, here is your Astra theme. Just click on install. Okay, the theme has been installed. Just click on activate now. Basically the theme is the thing that how your site would look like. Okay, so Astra is recommended for many users because it's a really good theme, and it's like lightweight theme. Your site speed will be fast and many other things. Okay, so now just come here, and as you can see here, your Astra theme has been installed. Now what we have to do is install a plugin. Okay, this is a starter templates plugin. Just click on install. Basically we are going to create a digital product store. There will be downloadable products. A person will buy the product and download it. Okay, so just wait for it. It's activating the plugin. Okay, so the plugin has been installed, and now just come here and click with build with templates. Okay, and here you have to go with Elementor as a beginner. Okay, don't use Beaver Builder or any other thing. Now here we will install a template. I forgot the name, but yeah, this was the template I want you guys to install. Digital download store. Okay, we will sell digital products here. Now just wait and skip and continue. If you want to change the colors and font, you can go with it, but I don't want to change, so yeah, I don't want to do that. So just click on submit and build my website. Now this will take a few minutes, but trust me, it's worth it to give it some minutes, you know. Okay, I will be back after this is installed. Okay, as you can see, the site has been imported successfully. So now just click on view your site. And boom, your site has been installed. I mean, the starter template has been installed in your website. As you can see these things. Okay, as you can see, it's a really beautiful website. Okay, and yeah, awesome themes and plugins for WordPress. Okay, this is a starter demo. We will make changes in this website later, but for now this is ready to go website. We will make changes in this using Elementor and using very other things, you know. Okay, so yeah, this was it for today's video. What we did in today's video is we installed Astra theme, and we also imported the starter template in our website. This was not a hard thing, but yeah, we did it. So yeah, meet you all in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Also like this video if you like it. I know you like it, that's why you are watching till end. So yeah, like this video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.